Well, that's just plain awesome. What you just saw is an AI chatbot answering questions on my website. Now you may be thinking, yeah, we've heard about this. It's coming in the next version of Odoo, but this is actually here right now. I'm not just testing this on a demo. This is actually my website. Now this is huge for a lot of reasons. One of them being that this is available on Community and Enterprise. So let me show you a little bit about how this works. My friend Oliver Arnold and his team at Odoo for Projects have been working on this for a while, and I've been really excited to show it to you. So basically, there's an app that they offer to their clients when they're hosted through them. It's this 4-server AI, and really it's very simple to set up. So first, of course, I have to install the app, but once I've done that, I can set up AI agents with specific criteria here. So the big piece that leaves this AI open to customization is our preamble here. I can come into this and I can set up all sorts of information to make my AI unique and make it useful for my company. I set mine up and I named it Andrew after myself, and then I told it to answer with a max of 50 words, so it's nice and succinct, not too wordy. I have it answering like a refined but laid back Englishman, which I may change at some point in the future. Oliver's got his set up to answer like the dude from Big Lebowski. I also asked it to provide links to services so that it's most helpful to people coming to my website, but there is so much that you could do here. I've really only cracked the surface. So who is this useful for? Well, this is really great for anybody that wants to jump on the advantages that an AI chatbot would provide right now. But I'll give you a few specific people that I think should really jump on this. If you have a highly technical product that people oftentimes don't know what they're asking for, and there's a lot of information that would help people to decide on that, you can feed all that information into the AI so that this can help direct your customers to the correct product. This is huge. This would be super helpful. The other people I'd recommend this for are people that are in Community Edition that want AI, because it's highly likely, in fact they've probably already said it, that Odoo is only going to have AI in the Enterprise Edition right now. Now, as I said, this is available right now on Odoo for Projects for Enterprise Edition or Community Edition. And you may already be aware of Oliver's Rockstar pricing, but this is for your whole instance for a whole year with AI. That's pretty crazy. Now, the big question on your mind may be, is Andrew going to start pushing a ton of products at us? The answer to that is no. I'm still not going to be advertising on my channel. That's going to be completely ad-free. But there are certain products and services in the Odoo space that I believe you should know about. This is one of them. I believe Oliver and his team provide an awesome product, and they definitely will take care of you. Another one that I'm digging into right now is a fantastic product from an Australian company called OLaunch that's going to make it so that you can come from Xero, MyOb, QuickBooks Online, or Sage 50 directly into Odoo and pull in all of your history. It's an amazing product. As always, my main focus is going to be making sure that you have a great experience with Odoo and that you have access to products that help you do that. And if anything I recommend doesn't lead to a good experience for you, please let me know. Anyway, that being said, it's pretty cool, right? Having a chatbot that can go ahead and answer your customers' questions could be extremely useful. As always, if you have any questions about this or anything else, drop them in the comments below or grab some time with me on my Calendly. You probably already know this too. I've started doing courses. The first one was on bookkeeping inside of Odoo, and that's been awesome. And now I'm working on one for basic customizations inside of Odoo using Studio. And that's going to cover customizations with views and going through a little bit of Python for server actions and automations. Anyway, thanks again for your time, guys. It's always a pleasure. See you again soon.